20% on the safety committee.
About 15.
Between the two offices, in Georgetown, New York, is about 15. If you choose to, you can stay on the safety committee more than 1 year. You can say, I don't want to nominate anybody for the safety committee this year, and stay for another year if you'd like.
Yeah, usually some of the office people are permanent members, but in the field they like to rotate it.
You sit there and make sure if you're running a job, you make sure you guys are following the Nickle policy. We always wear our hard hats, our safety glasses, our gloves, our high vis if the job calls for it. Just following general safety guidelines. Some of the better ideas that have come out lately are the time periods between renewing our training that we do. We do training for CPR, first aid, fall prevention, ladders. That's come out to make it more shorter intervals in between the review refreshers and the trainings, which I thought was a good idea.
We also review ball squads, discuss injuries that happened in the previous period, and talk about ways to prevent them in the future.
Pinpoint and tell them, hey, this is what you're doing right, and then also if they're doing something that's potentially harmful to people around them or themselves, we can sit there and say, hey, you need to move that ladder closer to where you're working so it doesn't tip, or you should put your safety glasses on, you're drilling into metal. Just keep an eye out for each other.
Another safety program we have is we do a toolbox talk every Monday morning. We talk about potential situations and how to avoid any issues. Safety is important to me because at the end of the day, I want to go home the way I came into work. I want to still be able to move around and play sports and do fun activities.
Safety is important to me. One, so I go home, see my wife and kids every day. I like going home and playing baseball with my little ones. But as a foreman for Nickle, safety is important. So you don't have lost time on the job. So you can still get the job done when it's supposed to be done. If you're down 2 or 3 guys because they fell off a ladder, that puts more constraints on the job, and it puts more hardship on other jobs because they got to give you men the manpower of your job if some of your guys get hurt. 6 years, $2 million is a great goal. Not too many companies around can ever say they've done that.
It's very impressive.
And there goes 6 years without a lost time accident, 2 million hours. Impressive goal that we're striving to hit 3 million.